Hey, third grade. Today you are going to be creating your own word problem, and then you're going to be walking through what we call the UPS check. So you've already been doing some of these steps, and we're going to just kind of expand on them a little bit, and then we're going to put them all together, okay? You're going to be creating your own word problem, and it's either going to be addition or subtraction, and it's just going to be one step, all right? So you get to decide what your word problem is. And then that's going to decide how you word your word problem. Your parents, your grandparents, your aunts, uncles, brothers, sisters, cousins, whoever is helping you do your work at home, they can help you come up with your word problem, but I really want everything else to be your work. I don't want your parents helping you solve it. I don't want anybody helping you represent it, plan it, all of that things. I want to see what you know, because we're getting ready to wrap up this unit, and in a couple weeks we're going to be taking our unit assessment, and so I need to know what you guys can do on this by yourselves, okay? So I'm going to show you in the next video what this is going to look like, and then I'm going to be walking you through the steps of how you're going to be doing this. This is something we are going to be doing every Friday, and it's on a Thursday this week because we don't have school tomorrow. So today's called Throwback Thursday. On Fridays, it'll be called Flashback Fridays. Eventually, we're going to get up to two-step problems. We'll do multiplication, addition, division. Then we'll start incorporating all of them together. Sometimes it'll be fractions, comparing numbers, just different things like that. So thanks for watching this video. Watch the next one so I can explain to you how this process is going to work.